My name is Leah Guerrero, and I am licensed with eXp Realty. I'm dual licensed in Washington State and Texas, and I market both areas using these postcards, and I must say it has been very successful. One day, as I'm an entrepreneur, I just decided, you know what, I want to do this too, and I did. Starting out in the Seattle, Washington area, then expanding my business into Texas, primarily Houston, and working on growing from here. Financing your business is probably the biggest challenge. Most people that are considering real estate as a career don't realize that the money is not always there, it's not consistent. So you must be able to provide for yourself and for the company, your business, which is your business. The second challenge is clients. People think that it is all who you know and that will just generate leads, but everyone knows someone who's in real estate. So you must be better, you must excel, you must have a reason for people to use you. So direct mailing was never a favorite for me until I found this company. I feel like the quality of the card, the size of the card, and the different varieties of templates based on the month, based on the market, based on current real estate situations has been so helpful. A lot of the newer, younger generation feel like only digital advertising is the way to go. And you might believe that, but with the alternative of your postcards, there is another way. There's still a generation that looks at them, that reads them, that holds on to them and then contacts you with the information that is put on the postcards. So I started using you just this year in 2022, and I like that you don't have a minimum requirement for how many I need to mail out, because I started out with a very small number and then I quickly added to my list. I absolutely love your quality. I can't emphasize enough, the size of your cards are amazing. Your template opportunity, the options that are there are so versatile. So we're just going to take one holiday. Let's just take, for example, July 4th. You don't just offer one template. You give us at least 5 to 6 to choose from. It's relatively easy to create. Whenever I do have an issue, I just chat with your team. They fix things right away for me so that I'm able to move on. I've generated 3 leads from my postcards alone. So I'm very grateful for them because they kept me in contact with my clients, all of them previous clients, but clients that I hadn't been in touch with prior to sending out this direct marketing mail. I like that you've incorporated pets into the marketing strategy. I'm a huge pet lover. I have a 16-year-old dog, so they are the best marketing tools, I feel. I have to tell you that I include my parents on my list. My mother gets so excited when she sees these cards and she hands them out to her friends, and we don't even live in the same city, we do live in the same state, so I can still technically sell. It's so refreshing to hear her response from receiving the card that month. So thank you.